Or you should have walked with a blade. What a strange thing to tell someone embarking on doing some fishing. Now let me tell you something. How far are you willing to go to do some fishing? Well boy, I end up down Paramin. Let me tell you how the story goes. Now I hear a lot of stories about going up Paramin. I see all the videos. They talk about the driving. I even had two partners of mine who went to do some fishing. They tried to warn me. Vian and Mario, if you're listening, this is for you. I hear it was real ridiculous. They said it was real bad. But I listen. They failed. They really failed to convince me. I said, let me make this video. No, all you have to forgive me. I went through real thing to get this video. I lost camera, find back said camera to bring this video to you. So I really hope you appreciate it. So that anytime anybody come up to you and tell you, hey, come and do some fishing down Paramin, at least you could learn from my experience. Without further ado, roll that beautiful bean footage. All you should have walked with a blade. I could see the ocean. But who is all them songs, boy? They singing like a jungle, so. Finally. Lord, that was that. Go it now. Where them going? You done here already? I hope it's a setup camp, because you see this? This is a nice scene here. Let's take a picture of this one here. Clear water. What is this? Wait now, we going fishing or we going on a hike? But what it is? What the hell is this? What is the ocean behind here? This isn't easy. What it is I get myself into, boy? It have any part here? Or you should I walk with a blade and now see what you mean? Not bad for fishing, but what is that? That is an eel. He touch you, he cut you. Once he touch you, he cut you.
Well, at this stage, 2.
Right fellas, this is what we doing things here. That is what we talking about. That is what we talking about.
That is L1?
Right, this makes it all worth it. Yeah.
So the covers.
And next one, how much eel it have in this place? Which eel is this? And look, there's a nut he making himself into there.
Wow.
Wow.